Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about drop shipping on Amazon and why I hate this business model, I'm not doing it, and why you shouldn't do it too. So, if you want to learn about, make sure to stick till the end, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. So, okay, the topic is drop shipping. What drop shipping basically is, I give you the pure form, the easiest explanation possible. Dropshipping is basically you find a retailer that sells a specific product online, like Costco, eBay, any TK Maxx, anything. You take that listing, you take the photo, the description, everything, and you upload it on Amazon, and voila, you have a product without moving a finger. And I want to tell you about some of the drawback of this business model and some of the advantages. So first advantage is you don't need any money to start. Basically, you have zero money, you just copy the listing, you put it on the Amazon, that's it. And when you make the sale, you go to that retailer, input the detail of the customer, and the retailer will ship straight away to that customer. That's it. And you buy it after basically you sell. And yeah, this is one big advantage and why people do it all the time. And I see a lot of YouTubers promoting dropshipping. And yeah, in my opinion, this is a total scam. It's not working. And yeah, those YouTubers that promote it, it's only for the view. That's it. It's simple as that. Another drawback for this, first of all, that was an advantage. You don't have to have any money to start, but a drawback is a lot of competition. If you don't have any money to start it, what makes you think the next guy will do the same? Just copy the listing, will upload it, and boom, you have straight away competitors. And this is basically who dropped the price the most. And in the end, you'll find that you're not gonna make any profit even if you make sales. So what's the point having a business if you can't make profit? So it's a lot of competition. Where it's low barrier to entry, the competition is very high. It's as simple as that. And another thing, Amazon hates this. They don't want you to drop ship. If they catch you drop shipping, bye bye. Say goodbye to your account. It's on. You can't turn it back. You can reverse it. If they catch you doing that, you no appeal. That's it. They block your account without any notice. So I don't think you really want to make short-term small profit over the long-term big profits with make where you can make a proper Amazon business where you can input the work and everything. Another thing, this it's extremely lazy business model. I mean, you don't provide any value for those customers that, let's say you make some sales. What is the value that you make for those customers? It's any value at all. You don't make any value. So when those customer purchase are ready, it's you have low margin, you have a lot of competition, and you don't provide any value for that customer, and also you risk your account. So why doing it? I mean, I don't see the point doing it. Only it because it's lazy. I think it's easy to create a list, but in reality it's a complete scammy business model. People they promote it because I know everybody want to make easy money, so it'll be more appealing when they selling their drop shipping course, let's say. uh, they'll be more appealing. They'll sell those courses easily, which those guys, how they actually make money, they selling courses, they don't actually drop ship. I don't think it's not even one drop shipper on, even on Shopify they do it. Maybe there it's a little bit a higher barrier to entry because you can customize your shop, you can make it look a real brand or stuff like that, but in the end the product will be sold from other people as well. So maybe there it's a little bit of edge, but for the rest, uh, it's not any edge. You don't have any advantage. um, it's extremely lazy, it's extremely scammy, your customer will hate you. I I want to show you when, like, people, when they receive their product, they won't be happy, they wanted to return it, they'll find out the invoices from the other retailer. If some of them, they put the invoices in the package, and you'll find out why I've been charged so much when the invoices it says this much, and it will be only headaches, that's it. You will have headaches, and in the end, you'll find out it's not working. And that's why I don't do it. I try it, that's why I say to you, because I tried this business model and I see it's a total scam, it's a total bullshit, and nobody really makes any money. The only way to make money with dropshipping, create a course and set and teach people how to dropship, is the only way to make money. I can guarantee you that. If you can find me only one guys that actually make money dropshipping, I'll be extremely surprised, but that guys does not exist. That guys make money selling courses to you. So what I'm doing, the counter argument will be the same for retail arbitrage, which I'm doing, but there I find ways to actually create value for the customer, right? When I go and I buy the item, the inventory which I hold, you have a lot of advantage there. First of all, it's shipping. You can choose your shipping, how fast you can deliver or how slow. You can charge for that. When they return it, this product's coming back to you, so will not gonna be any any mismatch between you and the other seller. If you, for example, drop ship from TK Maxx, and when your customer wanted to return it, they're not gonna return it to you, they have to return it there to TK Maxx, so you have to create a return for TK Maxx, and it'll be only a nightmare. I can guarantee you that it's a nightmare doing that. But when they return it to you, you can resell it to the next customer. So what's the problem in that? Another thing, you can eliminate your competition if you know what you're doing. Basically, you find the stock, you buy the whole stock, so now it's not anymore available, that stock, it's only you that have it, so you can increase the price if it's something very like it's a demand for that product. If it's only you having it, you can increase the price as much as you want. Well, not as much as you want, but obviously you'll make bigger margins because there'll be nobody competing with you, right? Yeah, the drawback in this business model, it's you have to put upfront capital. That's why it's less competition. People, they're not willing to spend money, they want making money without spending it. So if you buy the inventory, you have to upfront put the capital. It's easy as that. So also it's more risk, because if you buy the inventory, it's risk, it's never gonna sell. So if you make a mistake and you not gonna judge properly the demand for that product, and sometimes it's seasonality. If you buy, like, for example, Christmas item, if the Christmas passed, you have to wait till next year to sell that product. So it's a lot of risk involved, but that's why it's more profitable, because it's more risk. But in the end, if you know what you're doing, you can reduce that risk almost to zero. So maybe in the beginning, when you start out, will be risk because you don't know what you're doing. Maybe you'll buy the wrong product and it's not gonna sell, but also you can return it back to the retailer where you buy it. So it's a little bit um, balance it, I can say. So this is for me. I don't see any advantage doing drop shipping. Maybe you can try it only to see how to list products, how and stuff like that, how Amazon actually, how listing works and stuff like that. But in reality, there is no money to be made here with this business model. And just, you can search on YouTube, just drop shipping, put in the search bar, there will be 1,000 guys showing, and will be thousand and thousand of views for those videos. Imagine if all of those people starting to drop shipping, how much competition will be in the space. Will be, I can guarantee you, it's not gonna make you any money. So Uh, if you really want to learn how to make money with Amazon, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I teach you the realistic way how to make money in this business. Stop following these guys that promotes the word to you, but it's only views, hype, and all this bullshit around here. So subscribe, leave a like if you think I bring you value to you, and yeah, till next time. Bye bye.